This video will cover the new mapping features in PressureWEB. This is a new feature that locates the central office and device locations on a street map. Wherever you see this map icon, you can click the button and see a map of your offices and field devices. Offices are represented on the map by a square. Clicking on the square opens a separate window with all the devices associated with that office, sorted by pipe route. The field locations on the map are represented by circles. Clicking on a circle will show you all the devices located at that field location. If your offices don't have GPS location information entered into PressureWEB, don't worry about it. You can add this information yourself through the PressureWEB interface. Let's start by locating my central office, Boardwalk. To get started, I want to sort the devices in the Boardwalk office by location. First, I click on View Options and then Location. In this view, I can see all central office devices by their location code. Before I get started on the field devices, I want to make sure I map the central office location for Boardwalk. In this view, I can see all the central office devices by their location code, which is either 0 or CO. In this case, it's 0. Next, I click on the first device number to view the specific device information. This device is in my central office. Towards the middle of the screen, you will see the latitude and longitude data fields. Unless you are already set up with GPS coordinates, these fields will be blank. Mouse over and click on this plus button next to longitude. Clicking on the plus will bring up a map. Now, if you are not already set up with GPS coordinates, you will see a map of North America. Mouse over the general area of the central office and start scrolling in. As you drop down, reposition your mouse closer to the location of your CO. Once you can best identify the location of the CO, click the mouse. A small square icon will appear marking the CO. Now you have to click the Save button. You have just entered GPS coordinates for that device and all the other devices located at the central office location. Now we need to start entering the GPS coordinates for the field locations associated with that office. Click on a device number in each location and then add the GPS locations in the same way as we did with the central office. Every time you add GPS coordinates for a device, those coordinates will automatically be copied to the other devices that have the same location code. This is just one of the many new features included with PressureWEB. Please see our other videos for more tips and tricks with PressureWEB or leak locating in your air pressure system. If you have any questions, check out airtalk.com or call our tech support line. Operators are standing by.